Hello, in front of me I've got Avatar Frontiers of Pandora. In this video I'll show you how to aim with bow. As you can see, bow has a special crosshair. We've got center and 3 lines below. Those 3 lines are special crosshairs, thanks to which you can adjust the height of the shot according to distance. For example, let's aim on this circle here. Let's put it in the center, aim, and as you can see, the arrow went a little low. So now let's adjust the crosshair, and as you can see, straight in the target. Let's do it again right here. Again low, and now let's adjust the aim, and again straight. Let's go a little bit further, for example here. Now to aim there, we have to put the crosshair higher. Basically, you have to feel the sensitivity on your own, but keep the straight lines in the correct position. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.